Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and input. Make sure the Apple TV is awake and the TV shows the Apple TV home screen. You need a charged Siri remote or a fresh CR2032 battery in older remotes. Charge for at least 10 minutes if depleted. Once done, stand within 3 to 4 feet, clear any objects that might block infrared or Bluetooth signals, and be ready to press buttons. This immediate preparation reduces pairing errors and speeds the next steps. You now trigger pairing. Press and hold the menu and volume up buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. Older remotes use menu and left. Watch the Apple TV screen for a pairing animation or a prompt that says remote connected. If pairing doesn't start automatically, navigate on screen to settings, choose remotes and devices, then select pair new device. When the TV asks, type the 4-digit code with the remote. Doing so verifies encryption and finalizes the secure Bluetooth link. You finish by confirming control. Test navigation, press home, and invoke Siri to ensure responses are immediate. If the remote is unresponsive, restart the Apple TV and try pairing again. A reboot clears transient Bluetooth faults. Should problems persist, reset the remote by holding back and volume down for about 6 seconds, then repair or unpair via settings, remotes, and devices, and start pairing anew. This sequence resolves most faults and restores reliable, remote operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.